We are deep in the rainforest on our destination 2, where we will select the weapons of the warriors of the old days that we will share and provide the necessities of the weapons of the warriors. Up front, I have Tuhan Marc, the man of many secrets. He is the strength and the power of the Escrimadors.
It's real sugar cane there. You're not going to see that no more, huh?
And there it is, the sugar cane. And somewhere in that little bunch there's Grandmaster Lopez. Say something to Grandmaster.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Okay, here.
Oh, we shall return as we move forward.